G'day folks, sitting around the fire tonight. We haven't done a catch up for a while and we're going to be flat out tomorrow morning, so I thought I'd do a bit of a video tonight around the fire and just catch up on what we've been up to. First of all, earthquake. We're around Kingaroy area today, 5 point something on the Richter scale. So that was around about 10 to 9 this morning. I went through our security vision trying to find some shakes like I saw online with their security cameras. No, we didn't even shake the camera, that's how bad it was here. I actually thought Kira was banging on the side of the shed trying to play a practical joke on me.
The house was tremoring. First I thought it was just the wind, when the wind comes through and rattles everything, but the house is still, and then the house was not still.
Yeah, so anyway, that's been and gone. We have some new arrivals, not just Kira. We got some commercial layers.
Now, Highline.
Highline?
Highline.
They're basically proprietary owned genetics, so there's Isa Brown and the Highline.
Not the other thing we were calling it.
Well, we were calling them Highlander to begin with.
Highland, that was it.
That's probably anonymous, there will be only one.
Yeah,
so,
no,
yeah.
no.
We've just got home and introduced some new girls into Andy's harem. We have 4 Highland variety chickens.
Andy seems most chuffed, but he's rounded them all up together.
Yep. Sorry, we don't have mics either, so
Oh yeah.
you come closer to Bianca, which is never a terrible thing. The other girls are down there in the corner at the maggot farm.
Pretending they don't exist.
And Jack is all very curious. We just had them in the little travel cage by themselves. In the pen there, just to see what Andy would do. He was pretty casual, wasn't he?
Yeah.
No, but they fit in really well, didn't they?
Yeah, they're quite placid and quite friendly, and they come up quite close, and Andy's now hanging out with the young girlies more than the older girlies.
Yeah, there was a bit of a separation in the flock to begin with. The old girls were up one end, new girls were up the other, and Andy was running in between, making sure they were all doing okay.
Yeah,
and we let him.
Chook was being nasty.
Yeah, Chook, because she was the queen hen, she was trying to put the others in place continually. But yeah, we pretty much all got that sorted. Let them out after about a week, and yeah, they've been pretty cruisy ever since.
Oh, except for their escape attempts.
Someone with the line trimmer ripped some wire because it's old, reused, rusty wire, and they were coming out for a couple of days. We saw where it was, fixed that up. Clipped 3 of the wings, and then 2 days ago, the only one that wasn't clipped decided to escape. But because of the new security camera, we found out where she escaped from. Yeah, caught her flying. So we're going to get her one afternoon and clip her wings as well. Mainly because if we go away for a night, we don't want 1 or 2 flying out of their pen where they're not going to be safe during the day. We've seen a lot of eagles around. Wedge-tailed, saw a big wedgie yesterday morning with Kira, and we've got sea eagles around. So we're just concerned that if they're out gallivanting around the paddocks while we're not home, you never know.
There's been heaps of eagles.
Heaps of eagles, yeah. That's about it on the livestock front. There will be more coming soon, but we've been busy tidying up and cleaning things. We had to clean the gutters on the shed.
Oh yeah.
I had a bit of an issue. A pipe fell down, so I got up there and cleaned the gutters on the shed. And I tell you what, they haven't been cleared for it'd be years.
Yep.
So
it was soil.
There was soil in there. There was roots in there. All sorts of stuff. So that's the first job we're going to be doing after Kira goes. We need to do that one weekend, set a weekend aside. Or Kira might be able to help me with the house ones.
Yep.
Just get them cleaned out, ready for the summer rains. I'm thinking it's going to be a very wet summer for the next few years, so I'd like to get them cleaned now. Fixed a water pipe when I was cleaning out the gutters as well that kept falling down from the tank, so that was done.
Yeah.
Livestock shed, cleaned it out. It's all ready to go. We gave it a good clean. We hosed it out as well, just because the amount of mice and rat smell in there, we just didn't want to attract them.
Just poo everywhere.
So yeah, it's nice and clean now. The doves are picking up anything the
guinea fowls miss
and drop out. Also the bandicoot. We have a bandicoot. I haven't got him on video yet. As always, he runs away, but the bandicoot's in there feeding from the hole. Janice, a supporter. Hey Janice, she mentioned that she's seen bandicoots eat grain as well. So came out and heard this funny gnawing sound, light across, and there's this bandicoot having a bit of a munch. So then Angus came up. And Angus, gave me a bit of a kick up the butt. Mucked around with the new organic hydroponics area for a little while, and then just put that on the shelf. And we need more seedlings. So
well, that's been a bit restructured from your original idea as well.
So I'll do a standalone video on that later on.
And that's much better.
Yeah, the new idea is much better. But Angus helped me clean out the existing garden. First of all, we had to shovel off all the soil from the pavers. B had a go at that when we were changing over the pump. She started it off. Angus did a great job. Really, thanks, mate, if you see this. Did a great job clearing off the pavers, helped me pull the fence down. Then we pulled the pots out, gave them a bit of a weed, a bit of a clean up. And chickens had a bit of a go at a centipede. And I saved a big skink though. They were hunting around looking for things to peck at, and yeah, they passed over the skink luckily enough. What else did we do? Oh, we cleaned the driveway, the carport area off, and then we cleaned out the last of the paddock. Where we want to put the chickens, we pulled the last of that fence down. Hanu and Maya helped us ages ago, and Angus and I did the rest the other day before he left. So that was good.
That's what we're burning part of. Yeah,
we're burning part of the rotten post that came out of there tonight. So we're ready now to work out where we want the dividing fence between a goat yard and a chicken yard. I think we need really need a bobcat in to level the ground first. Yeah, there's so many wallows. It would be so much easier just to get an excavator or a dingo or a dingo earth mover, that is, not the four-legged kind, or a bobcat in to level that out. So that was really good. Angus helped us with that. And now we've got Kira up. Yep. And Kira always gets bored. So today we went up and put some of Granddad's stuff away. Well, I did, sorted through some of his stuff, my dad's stuff that we've brought up, wanted to rescue.
Did some stuff on the tractor.
Yeah, Bianca and Kira.
Well, we changed the oil filter.
Yeah,
that's one thing.
The hydraulic oil filter.
Kira was making gaskets.
Yeah, playing arts and crafts.
Yeah. Yes. Gaskets. So how many gaskets did you make? Two. So they were for a plate that sits over where the hydraulic oil goes up a pipe to the hydraulic pump on one side, and on the other side there's a stainless steel sieve for the power steering unit, which is basically, once it gets clogged up, it's like a Mack truck with two flat tyres on the prime mover. Yes. Thank you very much, Kira. Yeah, very important. Yes. So that's done now. They looked very nice. They fit nicely. So, the lawnmower keeps getting flat tyres. Yes. Well. Keep having to change them. Thank you very much to Kyle as well down at YardWorx at Gympie. A bit of a plug for them. Basically, when we changed the flat tyre last time, I did one nut really, really tight, thinking, Bianca will come down and finish the job because it was her first puncture repair. And I just forgot about it, that it wasn't tightened up, mowed 3/4 of the yard, and all of a sudden realised the tractor was moving weird, and I'd actually stretched out the holes in the rim. Yep. So yeah, Kyle came and helped us out. Yeah, check out YardWorx in Gympie. Awesome bloke. He helped us out with a wrecked tyre rim for the Greenfield, and sorted me out with a few new nuts because I lost some nuts. Thank you very much again, mate. But that's pretty much all it, I think. Yeah. I think the fire in the barrel is low enough. I can start putting in the potatoes now. Cool. Yeah, if you want to do that. First of all, we'll sign off. Yeah. Thank you very much, folks, for coming along and having a bit of a fireside chat. Supporters will hit you, or hopefully you've already seen the one uploaded a fireside chat for you guys. And yeah, we'll cover the topics mentioned there in a video for you guys, and then later folks on YouTube will see it. But thank you very much for the support, folks. We really do appreciate it. And we will catch you next video. Cheers, folks. Have a top on. I just did an Instagram post where I called it the twin tubs. I went one for fun, one for barbecuing. Where's Jackie? Behind you? No, that's Jumper. Jack! Jack, where are you, buddy? Up at the shed. Come on.